Hello everyone. In this series we are covering quantitative aptitude questions from previous year UPSC CSAT papers. Okay. We are covering topic wise questions from 2016 to 2025. In the previous session we covered some questions on number system, and in this session we will cover some more questions on number system. See, number system is very important for exam point of view. Many questions are seen from this topic. Okay, so let's begin with the questions. The question number 1 is, a two-digit number is reversed. The larger of the two numbers is divided by the smaller one. What is the largest possible number? Remainder. Okay, and this question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2017. Okay, now to have the largest possible remainder, one of the number must be the largest two-digit number. Okay, now let's suppose the number is in the form of 9x, where x is from 1 to 9. Now we can replace the value of x from 1 to 9 and check when the remainder is the largest. Okay, now let's suppose x is equal to 1. Now the number becomes 91, and if we reverse its digits it will be 19. Okay, now the remainder will be 19. So here remainder will be 15. Now let's suppose x is equal to 2. Similarly, number will become 92, and if we divide it by 29, okay, now the remainder will be 5. So here remainder will be 5, right? Now suppose x is equal to 3, number will be 93, and if we divide it by 39, okay, our remainder will be 93, 39, okay. Again remainder is 15. Okay, now let's suppose x is equal to 4, number will be 94, and if we divide it by 49, okay, here remainder will be 45. Okay, now when x is equal to 5, number will be 95, and if we divide it by 59, number will be, remainder will be 36. Okay, now when x is equal to 6, number will be 96, and if we divide it by 69, here remainder will be 27. Okay, now when x is equal to 7, the number will be 97, and if we divide it by 79, okay, here remainder will be 18. And when x is equal to 8, number will be 98, and if we divide it by 89, remainder will be, here remainder will be 9. Okay, now see, the remainder increases, okay, then the remainder starts decreasing. As we go on increasing the value of x, the remainder starts decreasing. So the largest possible remainder here is 45, and it's D here. Okay, so the right answer is D here. Let's move to question number 2. There are certain two-digit numbers. The difference between the number and the one obtained by reversing it is always 27. So how many such maximum two-digit numbers are there? This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2017. Okay, let's suppose the number is xy. Now if we reverse its digits, the number will become yx. Now let's write this number in expanded form. It will be 10x plus y, and this number will be 10y plus x. Okay. Now according to the question, when we subtract, okay, one number, second number from the first, it will become 27. That means 9x minus y, we can write in this form. It will be 27. Now x minus y is equal to 3. That means the difference between the digits of the number is 3. Now let's see how many such pair exist. The number can be 41, okay, 52, then it is 63, then it is 74, then 85, then 96, okay. So how many pairs are these? How many numbers are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously more than 5. So 6 is not in the given options. So answer is D here. Now let's move to question number. Now before moving to question number 3, there are some questions. Okay, similar type of question. You can take a screenshot of this screen and practice these questions. Okay. Now let's move to question number 3. What is the total number of digits printed if a book containing 150 pages is to be numbered from 1 to 150? This question is from UPSC CSAT paper 2017. Okay. Now let's see, for printing 1 to 9. Okay, how many numbers we are using? 9. And how many digits in these 9 numbers is equal to 1. So how many digits we are using? From 1 to 9, 9. Okay. Now let's see, from 10 to 99. How many numbers are these? These are 90. And how many digits we are using? 2. And in how many total digits will be? There will be 180. Now from 100 to 150, how many numbers are there? 50. And how many digits are there per number? 3. So it will be, sorry, here it will be 51. Okay, so how it becomes 153. So if we add all these, it will be 3, sorry, and here it is 2, then 4, then 3. So right answer is B here. Okay. Now again there are some more similar type of questions. You can take a screenshot of this screen and practice these questions. Okay. Now let's move to question number 4. There are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers if 39 is the mean of the first 5 such numbers. Okay, 39 is the mean of first 5 such numbers. Then what is the mean of all the 13 numbers? So in the question we are given the mean of first 5 such numbers, and we are required to find the mean of the 13 numbers. So to solve this question, we are using a concept here. If there is an AP, arithmetic progression, okay, then the mean of that AP is the middle, always is the middle number. Okay, suppose there are 5 numbers in an arithmetic progression. Each the next number is there is a common difference between all the numbers. Then the middle number is always the mean of those 5 numbers, or the numbers in the arithmetic progression. Okay. Now here in the question we are given mean of first five numbers. Let's suppose we have this. Then we must have two numbers to the right of this number and two numbers to the left of this number. Okay. Now since these numbers are consecutive odd numbers, so after 39 it will be 41 and it will be 45, 43. Okay, and before 39 it will be 37 and it will be 35. Okay, so first number is 35, fifth number is 43. Now we are in the question, we need to find the mean of the 13 numbers. Okay, so mean of the 13 number will be the middle one, and the middle number of the 13 numbers will be seventh number. Now we know that the fifth number is 43, sixth number will be 45, and seventh number will be 47. Okay, so the mean of these 13 numbers will be 47. So right answer is 47 here. Okay, now let's move to question number 5. If x minus y is equal to 8, then which of the following must be true? Now we are given three statements here. Okay, we can randomly take values of x and y, which makes these statements, okay, incorrect. Okay, now suppose we have x minus y is equal to 8. Now as per condition 1, the first statement, both x and y must be positive for any value of x and y. Now we will look for two such values for x and y. For those value, this statement is wrong. Okay, let's suppose x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 7. But in the statement we are given that both should be positive, but we are taking y as negative. Even then this statement, this equation is true. Okay, it gives us 8. So this statement is not necessarily true. Now let's look at the second statement. If x is positive, y must be positive for any value of x and y. Let's suppose the value of x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 2 here. Okay, it as per the statement x is positive and y must be negative, but we are taking as y as positive here. Now let's see, x is 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, now with these values also, okay, second statement is not necessarily true. Now let's see the third statement. If x is negative, y must be positive for any value of x and y. Here we can take value x is equal to minus 1, okay, and y is equal to minus 9, but in the statement it is x is negative. Okay, we are having x negative, y must be positive, but we are having y as negative. Okay, now let's see whether this equation holds true for this or not. X is minus 9, x is minus 1 and y is minus 9. Okay, and it is 8. Minus 1 plus 9 will also give 8. Okay, so even when y is negative, even then this equation is satisfied. Okay, so this statement is also not necessarily true. So answer is D here, neither 1 nor 2 nor 3. So these were few questions from previous year UPSC CSAT paper. Okay, so if you find this session useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.